Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into Matic. Once again, thanks for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. I don't know where you are in the world, but where I am, Cornwall, is extremely hot. At the moment, I've just got a bit of time on my hands, so I thought I'd take a look at Matic. Now, I did do an update a few weeks ago on Matic, giving you a breakdown target. That target has obviously been met. You can see that. I think I did say to you in the video, you've got an initial breakout target. It's horizontal triangle. You know these horizontal triangles, okay, they are continuation patterns, and you can see that when you lost support, went short and our target was met, and some. Do you see that? Now I think I did say that potentially because you're going to lose the swing high just here, put some cheeky bids on the swing low down here at 67 cents, and you can see, you know, beautiful target to put bids on. Because like I said to you, you know when things break down, they always bounce off swing lows if there's lost a previous swing high, and you can see that the previous support of the swing high was there, and you can see that the target was in the middle of this cluster. So because you're losing the previous swing high, always target the swing low as a bounce, and you can see that that's exactly where pretty much the Matic's bounced. Okay, so do remember that going forward. It's having a beautiful upside today. Today's candle is up a whopping 28%. Now it's not out the woods yet. Okay, it's having a lovely pickup, great. The whole market's having a lovely pickup, it's great. But what you do need to see, this is a daily time frame. What you do need to see for Matic is obviously get back above these EMAs on the daily, okay, because that's the most important signal you're looking for any of your projects. Get back above the daily 20 EMA, get back above it, hold its support, start to back test to support, get back above the 55, dragging the EMAs across your shoulder, creating something called a bullish cross, okay, a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. You start to see that, that's a massive tick that you've got the trend reversal. You know, you effectively carried out a correction and you're looking for potential reversal in the trend just there and more upside. Until that time comes, Matic is in a downtrend, so do anticipate a further correction here for Matic. Again, not financial advice. We're having a lovely day today, we're having a lovely pickup, but we've had it before, okay? Sort of relief rallies. This is what I was expecting for crypto, some relief rallies to test previous resistance, as you know, resistance confirm that you are actually in that downtrend, or hopefully if we can break the resistance, it's fantastic. Now I'm going to give you another breakdown target for Matic if you lose this low. So do anticipate this, because at the moment you can see that if you'd have put some cheeky bids on this wick down here, this previous swing low, you currently would be up a whopping 31% for Matic. So that was a fantastic trade, and obviously the short trade that I gave you as well from there down to the swing low was a whopping 37% short trade. So for anyone that took that information and did what they wanted with it, fantastic. Again, not financial advice. So now you've created a new low here for Matic, okay? Looks great, you're coming back up. Now there is a retracement level I'm going to show you in a minute that Matic does need to break. Now you're retracing here. So if you can break a level of resistance on this retracement, and I'll show you exactly what this is for Matic, okay? From this swing high to swing low. So at the moment you've come down in an impulsive wave just there, impulsively, and now you're retracing back. If you see Matic break above the daily 20 EMA and get back above 95 cents, which is a golden ratio, there's a high probability here that you will start to see a reversal, because this is an impulsive wave down, okay? You come down and now you're retracing, potentially holding key levels of resistance for a continuation of the trend. Do you see this? So if you start to see Matic, because you can see it sitting itself on a 0.50 at the moment, okay, at 88 cents. Now if you do start to see it come up above the 0.618, the golden ratio, and most importantly get through the 20 EMA, start to hold its support, you'll be looking at reversal wave, okay? This will be reversal wave. Do you see this? This would be absolutely mega, this reversal wave. So you've got key levels of resistance to break here for Matic, because if not, you could be looking at a fantastic short opportunity again for Matic, where potentially you come up, you hit your head on a 20, and you continue with the downtrend, coming down to another target, which I'm going to show you, okay? So potentially, you know, the target I'm going to give you for Matic, if you do see that, if you don't see it break that level of resistance, then you can see there was not a lot of support in this uptrend just here, in this upswing. It just absolutely rocketed over a couple of days and didn't create any support for itself. So you've already tested the swing low. You actually wicked down just a little bit lower than that. So the next level that it could potentially form an impulsive wave down to is this cluster here. Do you see this? So do anticipate that you could see Matic continue with the trend here, where it looks good, it looks great that it's coming back, but you're actually running into resistance and you're actually creating these impulsive waves like this, okay? So do anticipate that this could potentially be your next target for Matic. I'm going to put it on this swing high just there. So that in itself could be another massive short opportunity, okay? That's if you start to see it get rejected, and only put a little cheeky short in if you lose this support. Do you understand that? Okay, because then you're creating a new impulsive wave. So at the moment you've got the impulsive wave down, you're retracing to a key level of resistance. If you bounce off that resistance, you'll continue with the downtrend, and you'll more than likely come and meet this target at 46 cents. So for example, you know, if you do run into the 20 and you start to get rejected, you could be looking at a lovely short of around 50% for Matic. But personally, I wouldn't go for that, okay, because you could consolidate here, build up momentum, and then break above a level of resistance and reverse the trend there. Do you see that? So what you want to do is trade on confirmation of this loss of this low just here, because you're rolling over and creating lower lows. So do anticipate that if you lose this particular low at 0.62 cents, you are looking at a beautiful little short on Matic down of 24% to test this swing high, okay, this level of consolidation just there. Because this is how it works, swing highs to swing lows. When you start to lose swing highs, you target swing lows as support. Do you see that? And again, you know, don't be greedy. Close your short at that point, because that's where you'll see the bounce and a pickup. And at that point, you can put a cheeky long on, okay, just like you did here. Close your short, go long. Do you understand that? So that's basically Matic. There is a breakdown target just here of around about 46 cents if this particular level of support is lost for Matic, and it continues with the downtrend just here. You know, if you do start to see a loss of 62 cents, then you're looking at a 46 cents Matic token price. And obviously, if you can actually break through the 20 and the 55, you could be looking at a reversal here. So do anticipate that as well. Okay, so it's who said crypto's boring? Okay, we're having a beautiful upside for Matic today, 27% up at the moment. So the trade that I gave you in the previous update, you know, this horizontal triangle, which if you do pay attention to the videos, we are targeting on the DXY, and this is an example of a horizontal that is a continuation pattern. Okay, so do check out the DXY videos and the Bitcoin videos that we're targeting as well. So yeah, take care everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with an update on Matic hopefully, or relatively soon. But so far so good. We've met them little targets, and little trades have been very fruitful right now. But if you do start to hit your head, then do anticipate, you know, a further correction and more continuous downturn here for Matic in the short term until we can actually find a bottom. Take care everyone. Bye bye.